Welcome. In this short video I will demonstrate how to number a job using letters and numbers. For this tutorial I will number 4 lots, A to 100, B to 100, C to 100 and D to 100. So first I have selected SRA4 as the output sheet. Next I will select the number option. As an aside, I should point out that the logic module top center is ticked. This means that the application will check its database to see if it imposed this job or one very like it. And as we numbered this in the past, notice the words exact match have been placed in the title bar next to the file name. So in fact it knows we numbered this job 1 to 250 in the past. It has changed the start number automatically to 251. While this is irrelevant for this tutorial, you may find this useful in real-life situations. So to number using letters, you must first select the unstacked option. Then you will notice a new checkbox appears to the right of the leading text field. Simply tick this checkbox to open the rolling letters window. We can now enter the details for our 4 lots of 100. While multiple letters can be used, we will simply start with a capital A, followed by B, C and D. As the letters auto change for each set, we simply enter the starting letter. And as we require 4 sets of 100, the last 2 fields are correct. So we simply apply these settings. And you will note that the details have updated in the relevant fields. So now we will go ahead and impose the artwork. And as you can see, our numbered file opens 4 up on our selected SRA4 sheet. However, as we selected unstacked, note that the number sequence continues on the same sheet in columns left to right. In some circumstances, you may wish to have unstacked numbers, that is, the number sequence continuing on the sheet underneath. This can be easily achieved, but is a 2-step process. We begin by imposing the file back onto a document the same size or maybe a little larger than the original. For this, we will select a custom output sheet size and enter the width and height similar to those shown in the file dimensions of the opened file displayed in the top right corner of the user interface. After setting the output sheet size, we will then position and style the number. We will then click the Impose Artwork button. And as usual, our numbered file opens in our default PDF application, this time 1 up in reverse order. The final step is to open this 400-page numbered reverse file and to output that onto our SRA4 in the correct sequence. To do this, select the Proof option, then click the Stacking Options or SO button. Here we select Enable Stacking and leave the single-sided option selected as default. Ensure the correct output sheet size SRA4 is selected and then go ahead and click the Impose Artwork button. And you will now see that our lettered number job is imposed in the correct sequence. Highest numbered sheet will print first and the lowest number print last, and therefore be on top of the pile when printed face up. This will make guillotining or finishing very easy and relatively fast. And of course we could easily add bleed and crop marks to this file if we wished by simply selecting the standard and grow art checkboxes and clicking Impose Artwork. Here you will note we get the very same imposition as before, but this time it includes the bleed and crop marks. In this video I have explained how to number a job using letters and numbers. While we have used just one letter here, note that you could use multiple letters, and you can set those letters to auto-increment from the right or from the left. For more information, I invite you to check out a set of related short videos on ppdprepress.co.uk. Thank you.